Hi! In this video, we're going to set up our theme to use the WordPress Customizer. By default, all WordPress themes have some common settings available through the Customizer. The Customizer is a core WordPress feature for modifying some parts of the theme. Customizer shows the results of changes in real time. Here, for example, we're editing the content of the site title. Pinegrow lets us easily create new Customizer sections and controls. We're going to create Customizer controls for the Jumbotron in order to be able to dynamically modify the background image, the text, and the color of the title. Select the Jumbotron. From the Customizer section, add Customizer Section Action. A notice comes up that says that we will need to export the theme after saving it in order for the Customizer settings to take effect. Set the section ID and name. Now that we have a Customizer section, let's create some controls. Add Customizer Control to the selected Jumbotron. Set the ID and the name. Set the content type to media. Set the MIME type to image. Set Show in Section to the ID of our previously created section. Now, from the Post section, add Attachment Image BCK to the Jumbotron. Set Customizer Theme Mod Property to the ID of your previously created control. Set the size of the image to large. Save the template and export your theme. Let's go to the Customizer in the admin area. Our new section is there, and we can dynamically change the background image. Let's have a look at the changes in functions.php. Back in Pinegrow, activate the PHP code preview in order to check the generated PHP code. Now select the Jumbotron title. From the Customizer section, add Customizer Control action. Set the ID and the name. Set the default value for the control. The content type will be text. Set Show in Section to the ID of our Customizer section. Set the input placeholder. Add Display Theme Mod action to the selected Jumbotron title. Set Theme Mod to the ID of the control we have just created. Leave Replace Set to Content. Save the template and export the theme. Let's have a look at the Customizer section changes in functions.php. In the Customizer, we now have a new control available in our main section, and we can dynamically edit the Jumbotron title. Back in Pinegrow, let's create our third and last control. Keep the Jumbotron title selected. From the Customizer section, add Customizer Control 2 action. Set the ID and the name. Set the content type to color. Set Show in Section to the ID of our Customizer section. Add Theme Mod to Style action to the title. Set Theme Mod to the ID of our control. Set Replace to Set Style. And finally, set Style Property to Color. Save and export the theme. Again, let's have a look at the Customizer section changes in functions.php. Pinegrow does all the work for us. In the Customizer, we now have a new control available, and we can dynamically change the color of the Jumbotron title. Finally, let's have a look at the PHP code generated by Pinegrow.